I take carbon dioxide and release oxygen.
I am sunlight. I provide light energy to plant, so it can provide food. Without sunlight, plant cannot make food.
I am water. I am essential for the leaf in the process of photosynthesis.
I am carbon dioxide. Leaves require me to make their own food.
I am soil. Plants require me for growth and nutrition. Without me, plants cannot grow.
I am oxygen. All living organisms require me. I am food. All living organisms cannot survive without me.
And here was the process in which the leaf prepare food in presence of sunlight, air, water, soil and carbon dioxide and release the food